Hi everyone, welcome to Akshay Show. Here we discuss about movies, production, direction, and everything about filmmaking. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe the channel. Today we are going to discuss between the important application that is used for screenwriting, and here we are doing the comparative analysis between Celtx and Studiovity. People call it Celtx also, while Studiovity is known for increasing the productivity of Studiovity. So let me share my screen. And this is the comparative slide that I have created to save your time. Along with we'll also visit on each of the website. So this is a Celtx website, and here they have single product, but they have divided into multiple part, like writing, storyboarding, pre-production, and production. Okay, and it's a comparative suite of filmmaking software, while Studiovity is more advanced and it is all-in-one film pre-production and screenwriting software as mentioned on their website. And they have this AI powered application, lots of AI being used to help and automate your journey. Okay, and then they have these powerful features, okay, all in one, the way Celtx have, but it has more advanced and evolved. It's a new age product. I have moved from Celtx to Studiovity recently, and I really like, because they have many other options that Celtx doesn't have, like it supports final draft format, PDF format, text format. Apart from these are the different modules that you guys can use as per. And coming on their pricing part, okay. So on the pricing, Studiovity started just $2 per month for screenwriting, while Celtx started with $16 for their pro version, and then for their advanced version it costs you around $35 per month. While Studiovity is available on all the platforms, whether it's mobile, iPad, iOS, Android or web, Celtx is available on web, Android and desktop. So if you are a Mac user, if you are using iPhone or iPad, you won't able to use Celtx on those devices. Language support, coming on that, Studiovity support 350 plus language. So if you are wanted to write it in English, Hindi or Telugu, Tamil, French, Germany, whatever language, you can write it. And they have this beautiful Google input extension that you can install it, that will automatically convert it your text into your language. Okay, while on language support information was not available, I have used Celtx too, and it support very few languages. On the formatting, what Celtx and Studiovity have automatic industry standard. I like their dark mode, Studiovity dark mode, light mode, and various full screen mode. And then there is a replace and search, where you can replace all the characters cast name at once. So that's some of the advantage that Studiovity have. Beatboard both have index card, Studiovity have, and this index card is used for reordering the scenes, while character mapping is the important part that Studiovity have, and I really vouch for it. If you haven't, you can create a good character analysis and their mapping when you wanted to pitch it to your direction and all. And then they have this watermarking, full screen mode, and many other features, while Studiovity excels in storyboards too. So if you wanted to use the storyboarding for pitching and creating a pitch file, then you can try Studiovity. Okay, so here we can see the pricing of Studiovity, and it starts at $15 per month, as I previously mentioned, and it includes only one team scene. So this is Studiovity mobile application, and it has a UI similar to the web. Okay, here they have their teams and then contact, and while you move to their home, here are the project, and then their my notes. You can add your personal notes, which you can tag in and use in the project. While clicking on the inside the project, here we have different modules, like screenwriting module, breakdown, and then call sheet, task manager, department, calendar, shortlist. So there are multiple things. We will go each one in a detail. So this is light mode, but what I like is their dark mode. Okay, so when I change it to the dark mode, it feels me awesome. Okay, and then this is the application they have, and then they have this full screen mode also, so you can convert it into a full screen mode. What is interesting is that you can move to any scenes of your choice, and let's say if you wanted to write any scene, so I'll click enter, okay, and I'll choose scenes. So they have this shortcut also, command or control +1, and then I'll move down my cursor and choose int, and then Akshay workspace, okay, and then this is an afternoon time, and then I'll write it the scene name. Akshay is giving a presentation. So as you can see here, it automatically created a 12th scene, okay, and that's the beauty of it. They have this clean UI. Apart from that, what I love the most is their automatic suggestion. So when I click on enter, it will give me a character, and then when I click enter, you can write it dialogue, okay, and if you wanted to convert it dialogue into parenthetical, you can just simply click here and then click on enter. So this efficient small thing saves a lot of time. Apart from that, they have this feature of index card also, where you can rearrange the scene, beatboard also, and then they have this comprehensive list of download option, where you can download it into PDF, text, founding, FDX, and then you can add the cover image and add the personal watermark, where you can have your security and privacy, that your material is protected. Along with, you can put the membership number. So lots of many more feature, like you wanted a scene number in your scenes or not, you wanted header and footer. So that's amazing. Kudos to Storyboarding team. I just wanted to say it. Character analysis part of it. So this is a Big Fish movie, and I've created this demo script project. I'll create a new one for you, but I wanted to show you this character analysis and mapping. So here you can rearrange it, okay, each character, and describe the relationship, okay. So this is really helpful, or if you wanted to show all the character list, you can show the character list, you can define the relationship and do much more things, okay. So I have created their shooting script, and as you can see in the document section, the script is already there. So I'll import this script, okay, and then I'll right click on the Big Fish. Oh, so it has break down all the scene, okay, and it's fast, like scene number, environment, and each and everything. Like if I wanted to check it out in night, each and everything is filled, and while I click next button, okay, it will give me the character, and I can also merge the character. Let's say Bills and Wills are same, then I can just delete the date, okay, and then it will show me the merge button, okay. So while I merge it, the 4th scene will be included. 4 is already included, but I can clean my breakdown, and then when I click on next, it will give me all the scenes, okay, and then when I click next, it will give me the summary, and boom, your breakdown along with tagging of the cast and extra is completed. So let me go out in their breakdown. On the right side is the element, on the left side is the scene, and you can add the scene also. Let's say you think that one scene should be there, then you can add it while working on the breakdown, okay. And then they have this AI breakdown. So for instance, if I go to any scenes and let me find out any element, okay, so let's say beast is an animal, I wanted to mark it. So without clicking manually, I'll what I do, I click on AI breakdown part of it, and it will give me the costume, Okay, it will give me the livestock, beast and fish, it will give me the location, and it will give me the sound. So each element that is giving on the right side, it will tag in this element once I apply the changes. Or also I can set the quantity, so I apply the changes and now in the costume it is coming. So till we have done these all things, it started noticing in the department module. So that's an interesting thing, like you can go to costume and you can see the costume that is tagged. Not only that, if I click on add word, I can put in extra information, the image of the cast name, along with in which scene this character or cast is present. So this is something I like there at Studiovity, as it is very simple to use, along with their mobile application. Like the same is available on mobile application. I go to breakdown, and if I wanted to do the breakdown while I am traveling, I click on AI breakdown, and boom, it will give me all those elements, and I just quickly select if I wanted those elements during the creation of set or shooting, and I'll click on done button, and it will tag each element. So each and everything is present in mobile application along with their web application. Move to shooting script, and then they have the schedule tag, and then I can add the day break because I wanted to shoot 4 pages of a script in one day, each day. And then I have ordered the script by site, and I wanted my shooting schedule start from 15th of September, and I click on confirm button, and it create an automatic schedule. It is saying that you have an 8 day of shooting, because this script is around 40 scenes, I think 50 scenes. So I click on generate call sheet, and then it will generate the call sheet. Okay, it will ask me some details, okay, that is pre-filled. Just I have to click on create button, and boom, the call sheet got created. So let me show you the call sheet too. So this call sheet contains each and every detail that is being there, and automatically it took the logo. So logo I have added it in the project settings. So these are the things that I like about Studiovity. So this is the shortlist module, and when I click on create button, I will get an option of big fish project. I click on it, and then on the left side I will get each and every scenes. Okay, they have this read scenes option where I can put it down this, and I can read my entire script of that scene. Okay, and then I can click on add short, and I can add this information. Okay, and they have this option of more, where you can add multiple details, where you can add each short detail, where I can add detailed shortlist, where I can create detailed shortlist. So there is a camera A option, there is an equipment option, special equipment option, sound option, location option. So they have this extra as, because you can customize it accordingly. Not only that, they have this short size also, custom option also, along with movement also, and low angle, high angles, zoom shot. Apart from lens option, that I wanted to shoot this with 28mm lens. So this is something that is really helpful while you can create a document. Along with that, you can upload the image too. So this I am adding some random image, sorry. Okay, but this is the thing, and then you can download, and you will get very comprehensive shortlist. Studiovity have extra as on task manager. So here you can create a task, let's say task 1, okay, and pick and drop, like completed or no, completed or in review. And then they have this project calendar also, where you can see the calendar task in the calendar. If I click on this button, I can get the task 1, all upcoming, all these options are there, and then they have their list view also. So these multiple views option is there. While in the mobile application, it's pretty intuitive. Okay, you can click pick and drop. Okay, and you can, if you wanted to delete, you can just drop it in the delete button, and it will get deleted. So similarly, you can add the task also. So let me add some task. So this task get added, and then I can move it down. If I go to this big fish and I wanted to have created any notes, let's say character idea, and then this is interesting character of Amal Sharma. Okay, and I click on save button. Okay, so now I can quickly while I am working, I can open that notes idea, okay, next time, and I can start working on my script. Okay, or I can copy and paste my aspect of it, and it is not contain this putting the notes and idea. It have bold, italic, you can tag the image in this notes, and each and everything is there. So that's pretty intuitive, I would say. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our content, please give it a huge thumbs up and write it on your comment box. If you have used Studiovity, you can check it out, the Studiovity link from the description, and we will be looking to connect with you in the next video. Bye bye.